Welcome to Land Cruiser Restorations. I'd like to introduce you to this 1988 FJ62 Land Cruiser. We call this one Matte. This is the first production year of the FJ62 series. This was done in a Porsche color, dark blue Porsche. Beautiful. Beautiful, absolutely. Nice color. We really enjoyed doing this restoration. We done it in a kind of a darked out version. As you can see, the emblems are darked out. The running board. These are the bumpers that we make in-house. We call it the triple bar. Got the Warren 8,000 pound synthetic rope winch. We call this a triple bar design. These are the Grote LED headlights. We went completely through this one, the interior as well. It's got a 5.3 Vortec engine, made it to a 6L80E automatic transmission. Really like the wheels on this one. This is the first time we've used this design. We really like it. Something else that we've added to this one, if we put a rock guard coating on the bottom of this, see if we can show that or not. So on the lower portion of this one, see if I can show it. I think you can see it. There you are. I have a low profile roof rack as well. In a moment I'll take you to the interior. It's a custom interior on this one. Let me just kind of give you an all-around view of it. So if you have a Land Cruiser you're interested in having restored, or if you don't have a Land Cruiser, feel free to contact us at 316-992-5986. We do a lot of the FJ60, 62, the 80 series is becoming very popular now. Give us a shout, check out our website. Land Cruiser Restorations. At the top of the home page, there's the YouTube button. We have over 100 videos on YouTube. That'll spark a lot of interest. Give you something to view, something to watch. Here's that 5.3 Vortec. Headers, all new exhaust, all new suspension. Three-core aluminum radiator, electric fans, really sets in there nicely. New hood blanket. This is a full restoration. Undercoating, suspension, custom interior, seats were done, carpet, padding, redesigned the door panels. Those door panels are a fabric. They're no longer the wood that they come from the factory. Those are made out of a composite. It has Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera. This is our center console that we make. Padded cushion on top for your armrest. New headliner. Good sounding system in this one. JL audio. I think we're going to go ahead and fire up that 5.3 for you, so you can hear the sound of that. Got a nice tough sound to it. Nice low rumble. Folks, thanks for watching. Got any questions, give me a shout. 316-992-5986. Thank you.